In this video, we're looking at the sign up process. Before a regular user can sign up, the Teams admin has to go into the Teams admin portal, go to Teams apps, manage apps, look for the Rezolve application, and then allow it to be downloaded by every user. Once they've allowed this, then a regular user who wants to sign up for Resolve can go ahead and they'll be able to find it. So now that the Teams admin has done that, anybody else in that same domain can go to apps. They can search for Rezolve.ai. Once they see it in the list, they'll just simply click on it. They could read through or watch the video. And then they would simply click add, and that's going to open the Prospect app as long as nobody else in the organization is signed up. Now, the key thing with the Prospect app is you want to be logged in on the domain that all your users will be accessing the bot on. You have a few options. You can learn more about the Resolve app. If there's an existing app, you can link it, or you would just sign up by trying out AI. You will fill out the form where you put your company name. You'll fill out your first name, the last name, the tenant ID. This is what the tenant ID is going to be the main part of your URL, and it's the most important thing to take note of because that tenant name will be used later on once you go live with your bot. We're going to need that information to do some additional, if single sign on needs to be enabled, so on. Now, whoever signs up is the tenant admin automatically. They will get a few emails. Which I will show you shortly. And so once they fill out the top part, they will get an email with one of the first emails is an OTP code. They'll get that. They'll put that information in. And at that point in the background, the tenant is in the process of setting up. And in a few minutes, the person will have access directly. The prospect app will turn into their actual Teams app. They'll get a confirmation advising them that they now have been transferred to their Teams app. It will give them their admin console URL, and at that point they could click menu and they're within their tenant directly. So I said they would get multiple emails. Now that the tenant is set up, they are going to get, we already saw the OTP code, but they'll also get two welcome emails. One of them giving them a link to their admin console and giving you a bit of information on what can be done in the admin console, or the full name is administrative portal, but we call it the admin console as well. So you could interchange admin console, and they'll be able to log in with their username and the email address they gave us when signing up would be the username, and the password would be the one they created when they signed up as well. And they could log in, and now they have access to the admin portal, and they'll be able to see the out of box KB, the out of box task. And this is where basically they're going to assign agents to queues, and they have access to start playing around. Uh, they get another congratulations email just letting them know about their virtual assistant.